Number 4, the graph of function f is shown. I can't get it right here. Where f of x, or y equals f of x. Okay, and we have this line there. Which of the following describes function f? Increasing linear, decreasing linear, increasing exponential, decreasing exponential. Boy, do they love these. And it's always these 4 choices. They show you a graph or they give you an equation and then they say, which one is it? If you're looking at a graph, the rule you're going to use is if it's a straight line in any direction, that is linear. It is a line, linear line. That's what it is. It's right there in it, line. Exponential, it's going to be one of these 4. Not all at the same time, but one of those 4. That's the difference in how they look. Exponential is going to be curved and it's going to be kind of like, it's not like a parabola. It's more wide open and it's kind of on its side. So it's pointing towards the 4 corners, one of the 4 corners. It's kind of opening towards one of those 4 corners. That's a very general description, just how to visually recognize it. Now the increasing, decreasing, some books have you memorize. They're like, of these 4, this one's increasing, this one's decreasing. You know, I don't like having you to memorize it. I think it's much easier just to give you this one rule, which works for both of them, both linear and exponential. We read in English from left to right. So if you're going from left to right, like we read, and you're going up, you're increasing. If it's going down, it's decreasing. That's it. So this line, as we're going from left to right, it's going up. So that is increasing. Looking at these examples of exponentials, if you get one of them instead, if it had been an exponential over here instead, first example here, as we're going from left to right, it's going up, increasing. This one, as we're going from left to right, it's going down. And I didn't draw that quite right, but anyway, that is decreasing. Bottom left corner over here, from left to right, it is going down. That is decreasing. Last one, from left to right, it is going up, increasing. That's it. Same with the lines. Like if you had a line going like this, as you go from left to right, it is going down, it is decreasing. That's all there is to it. So don't memorize that, okay, if it's like this, then that means that is an increasing exponential. I'm going to memorize that phrase for that drawing. No, all you have to learn is from left to right, if you're going in that direction, is the function going up? It's increasing. Is it going down? It's decreasing, which means that our answer is it's an increasing linear. It's going up and going from left to right. It's a line. It is A. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.